Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 14 together. A transformation matrix T maps a triangle of area 0.5 square units onto a triangle of area 4.5 square units. We need the possible values of A. The key rule is this. When a matrix transforms a shape, the area is multiplied by the size of the determinant, so the area scale factor equals the absolute value of the determinant of T. The scale factor is the new area over the old area. 4.5 divided by 0.5 is 9. So the absolute value of the determinant is 9. Now find the determinant. For a 2 by 2 matrix, it's the product of the main diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. That's a +1 all squared minus 16. Since the absolute value of the determinant is 9, the determinant itself is plus or minus 9. Let's take the clean case first, positive 9. Take positive 9. Add 16 to both sides, and a +1 squared equals 25. Take the square root of both sides, remembering both signs. So a +1 is plus or minus 5. If a +1 is 5, then A is 4. If a +1 is -5, then A is -6. Just briefly, if a reflection with a negative determinant were also allowed, the -9 case gives a +1 squared equals 7. So A would be -1 plus or minus the square root of 7. But the clean expected answer is the pair we found. So our answer is A equals 4 or A equals -6. Well done, that's question 14 complete.